Welcome back to Something Talk on our YouTube channel. Friends, ever wonder how Netflix knows what show you will love next? Or how self-driving cars navigate without human help? The answer lies in AI algorithms. But what exactly are they? How do they work? And why are they so powerful? In this video, we will break down the magic behind AI algorithms in a simple and easy to understand way. By the end, you will have a clear picture of how they power our daily lives, from voice assistant to fraud detection. Let's dive in. What is algorithm? Before we dive into AI, let's first understand what an algorithm is. At its core, an algorithm is a step-by-step process for solving a problem, just like a recipe for baking a cake. If you ever followed instructions for assembling furniture or cooking a meal, you have already used an algorithm. In AI, algorithms are the set of rules computers use to process information, learn from it, and make decisions. But not all AI algorithms work the same way. Let's look into three main types of AI learning methods. Types of AI algorithms. There are three types of algorithms. First one is supervised learning, second one is unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. These are the three types of AI algorithms. In all our videos, learning videos, we are mostly come across these three types of algorithms. I am repeating it again and again in all the videos because these are the core of machine learning. First of all, to make a model, we have to understand that how machine learning is happening. So there are three types of machine learning algorithms: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Okay, let's see the first type of AI algorithm, that is supervised learning. Imagine you want a computer to recognize cats and dogs. You show it hundreds of pictures, each labeled cat or dog. The algorithm looks for pattern, for texture, ear shape, size, and learns from these examples. Once trained, it correctly identifies a new image. We are training with the data. What are the existing data what we are having? With the data, we are giving the training to the algorithm, and we are showing the what is the input. If the input is this one, then this is the output. The outputs are labeled. We are showing the different shapes of dog as an input and showing that this is dog is the output. So it will be our algorithm is keep trained, and then again if you have new picture, the dog picture we are showing, then the algorithm will identify it correctly as dog. This is called supervised learning. It knows the input, what is the output. With this base, we give the training to the algorithm, and then with the training using the existing data, and then if you give the new data set, it will identify that what is the, if it is this kind of input, then this is this kind of output. This is called supervised learning. I am repeating again. Supervised learning is, imagine you want a computer to recognize cats and dogs. You show it hundreds of pictures and each labeled cat or dog. The algorithm looks for patterns, that's important, for texture, ear shape, size, and learn from these examples. Once trained, it can correctly identify a new image. This is supervised learning, where the AI is trained with labeled data. It is used in applications like email spam detection, Android recognition, and medical diagnostics. Unsupervised learning. Now, what if we don't give the AI label data? Instead, we just give it a massive data set and let it find patterns on its own. This is called unsupervised learning. Few other examples are the clustering animations, AI grouping customer based on shopping habits, like sorting clothes without knowing the colors beforehand. The AI groups similar things together. This is used in customer segmentation, fraud detection, and market research. Let's look into the third type of learning, reinforcement learning. Lastly, we have reinforcement learning. This is when an AI agent learns through a trial and error, like how we learn to ride a bike. AI playing a video game and improving over time. Self-driving car learning to navigate the streets. These are a few of the examples for this in reinforcement learning. The AI gets reward for good actions and are penalized for bad ones. Over time, it figures out the best strategy. This is how AI beats humans in chess and powers self-driving cars. Think of AI as a student learning for an exam. The more practice it gets, the better its performance. Artificial intelligence adjusts its internal parameters called weights until it finds the best possible solution. Examples: Android analyzing improving with more training data. Stock market prediction models getting smarter over time. This is how AI algorithms become more accurate with time by continuous learning from new data. Real-world applications of AI algorithms. AI algorithms are everywhere. Let's explore some real-world examples. In healthcare, AI detecting cancer in X-rays. AI-powered chatbots assisting patients. AI predicting disease outbreaks. In finance sector, AI analyzing stock market trends, AI detecting credit card fraud, AI automating loan approvals, and etc. Artificial intelligence enhancing images in apps like Instagrams. AI is shaping industries and making life easier for millions worldwide. Artificial intelligence is powerful. AI is powerful, but it's not perfect. Some challenges include bias in AI models, data privacy concerns, high computational cost. To build responsible AI, researchers are constantly working on making algorithms fairer, more ethical, and more transparent. To summarize, AI algorithms power everything from self-driving cars to movie recommendations. They learn from data, improve with time, and continue to transform industries. We have only scratched the surface today. Recap of AI learning methods. We have seen supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning. These are the three types of AI algorithms, learning algorithms. And also we've seen the few of the examples in different domains like healthcare, finance, social media, and entertainment. And also we've seen the challenges and limitations in the AI model and how we have to handle it ethically. And as a conclusion of this, there is a few actions we are expecting from you guys. Like, share, and subscribe if you like this video. Comment your AI questions below. Thank you all. We meet in next video.